Hey, DIY. Today, we're working on a very special faucet, an old Chicago faucet that's about 85 to 95 years old. The house was built in 1927, so this faucet has definitely stood the test of time. We're going to replace the washer and get working like new again. Tools and materials you'll need: replacement rubber washers, pipe wrench, channel locks or adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers or vice grips, screwdrivers, Flathead and Phillips, small container or tray, tiny metal washer, thread sealant or plumber's tape. Step 1. Turn off the water. First things first, make sure you turn off the water supply before starting any repairs. Safety first. Step 2. Remove the handle. We'll start by removing the handle. Some of these old faucets haven't been removed in decades, so it may be stuck. Unscrew the handle. If it doesn't lift off easily, tap gently with channel locks to loosen it. Once loose, carefully lift it off. Step 3. Remove the stem assembly. Next, we need to remove the stem. Remove the retaining nut using a pipe wrench. These old nuts can be built up with calcium and rust, and a pipe wrench works best on round surfaces. Once loosened, you can finish by hand. Keep all parts in order. This will make reassembly much easier. Step 4. Inspect the washer. Take a close look at the stem. On this faucet, the washer is completely worn out, which is why the faucet couldn't shut off properly. The black area on the stem is where the old washer used to be. Step 5. Remove the old washer and cap. Unscrew the nut holding the washer in place. Remove the tiny metal washer and place it safely aside. Carefully pry off a metal cap using needle nose pliers or vice grips, taking care not to bend it. Pop out the old rubber washer. Step 6. Install the new washer. Insert the new rubber washer into the cap. Slide the cap back onto the stem. Replace the tiny metal washer. Screw the nut back on securely. The washer presses against the seat to stop water flow. Turning the handle opens and closes this connection. A worn washer cannot prevent leaks. Step 7. Reassemble the faucet. Apply a bit of thread sealant to the stem threads before reinserting. Carefully screw the stem back into the faucet body. Reattach the retaining nut and cap. Place the handle back on and secure it with a screw. Step 8. Test the faucet. Turn on the water supply. Test the handle. It should open and close smoothly, and water should stop completely when turned off. And that's it. Your vintage Chicago faucet now works like new, all thanks to a simple washer replacement. If this video helped, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more plumbing repairs and DIY tips, and leave your questions or comments below. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.